Hey, what's up guys, Luke Profits. I just wanted to do a quick video here to show you something. My personal Facebook marketplace is banned. I'm not concerned. This happens like once a month or something. It's very standard, but this is a little hack to get into the back end, and it's a little bit hard to figure out initially, but it works. I guess it's not really a hack, it's more that Facebook sucks at coding, and so it works, and you can get into your banned account while it's banned. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is, just because my account's banned right now, and I know the setup for the video is terrible, but whatever. Just want to show you really fast. So this is my other phone here, and you know, this is my normal accounts and marketplace. You know, you can see the stuff, but if you hit selling, it takes forever to load here, but like you click like your listings and you see like we're reviewing your request. Because I had to do the appeal thingy where you just click, you know, request review. So you can see I'm currently banned. So I'm going to show you how to get around this in just a few seconds here. Totally unedited video here unless I did some jump cuts at the beginning or something, but check this out. I'm doing this like this so that you can see it's like real. It's not, you'd be a pain in the butt to try to edit something like this. So, okay, Facebook, we're going to let this come up. Click here, and then I'm going to go marketplace, turn off Wi-Fi, selling, your listings, and it's going to try to load, but notice there's no Wi-Fi on. It's unavailable because there's no internet, so what we're going to do is toggle the internet. Going to wait for that icon for the Wi-Fi to connect. Okay, try again, and then swipe. Oh, shoot, I messed it up. Let me try it one more time. We're gonna go Facebook, pull this up, hit marketplace, turn off Wi-Fi immediately, go selling, and then your listings, turn this on. So I'm toggling Wi-Fi just so it can connect for a second, just enough to load it, and then kill the Wi-Fi, and bam, look at that. We can see all of my listings, or not all of them, but we can see some of them. And I turned Wi-Fi back off again, but so it loaded my listings before it loaded the ban, and I shouldn't have refreshed there, but now that we are in, I can get to shipping orders. You can even just go directly to shipping orders, but I don't have any right now because I just added all my tracking numbers while banned. And yeah, so now I've noticed I've got my Wi-Fi back on now, because once I'm at this point, once I'm at this point, it forgets to load the ban. So it says no orders yet. I had 20 orders a minute ago because there were a couple that were running late. I added some tracking numbers for them while banned, and yeah, it's all good. But look here, so you like, for example, relist items, right? You couldn't do this while you're banned, right? But this is, look, I'm on the internet. You saw me do this live. Look, there's all these. This is loading. Like here, it'll, I guess that's all that it's gonna do. My cat's knocking over everything. But yeah, so look, currently banned, shouldn't be able to list anything. Relist, and bam, it's relisted. Relist. You can see I'm on Wi-Fi here. Look, delete and relist, right? I can just do this. They're working on relisting the items, right? And now I can go over to your listings, and let me see. Listed on 3/24, which is the date currently, or nope. Wait, is that right? Yeah. March 24th, that's today. And look, it says listing is being reviewed. So that's how you know these listings are live. They're actually going up. They're saying being reviewed. Like a minute ago, it did not say being reviewed. So that's just something I wanted to show you. So 3 minutes there, unedited. We're getting into Facebook while banned. And just to, again, just to show you one more time that I'm like actually banned. If I go all the way out here, I don't think, like, I'm not sure. It's like once you get to a certain point, it just doesn't load the ban. So yeah, here. So I'm fine. You can add all your tracking numbers if you have anything late. But now watch, if I go back into Facebook, so I've closed it, reopened it. I'm gonna come here, marketplace, selling, your listings, and yep, we're reviewing your request. See, it won't let me in. So Facebook's coding is terrible. I don't know if I should even post this publicly or not, because if enough people see it, then they're gonna fix it, and I don't want them to fix it, but pretty cool little trick. And that's how you get in if your Facebook is banned. Anyway, guys, that's it for the video. If you're new to dropshipping on Facebook, I've got a full free set of training videos down there, link in the description, that go over everything you need to know to start making money online. I also have a Facebook account management service where me and my team work on your account and get it up to making several $1,000s profit a month. We totally handle everything so that it's passive for you, and you get to keep 30% of the profits, and then we get 70% of the profits. If that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, basically just me and my team managing your account, go ahead and go to lukeprofits.com/manage, and I'll be in touch. I also do one-on-one Facebook dropshipping training, and if that's something that you'd be interested in, you can go to lukeprofits.com/apply, and I will hit you back. I post new content on this channel every couple days, so go ahead and subscribe and hit the notifications, and I'll be back here with another video in a couple days.